Alright, so it's gonna be literally my first video. I have my thing right here, so I'm gonna keep looking back and forth. But I'm leaving tomorrow for North Carolina because my friend has a bowling tournament. So I guess I wanted to make a full vlog, but this is the day before, so I'm about to go to work, and then after work I'm gonna come home, go to sleep, and then we're gonna start this vlog going. It's gonna be pretty cool. So keep tuning. And keep on tuning, you know what I'm saying?
8:59.
Okay, well, yeah, it's 8:59. We're just headed out. We're about to go
get some juice.
Yeah, I gotta get some juice.
Woo woo yee yee.
Yeah, I've been craving juice since yesterday, so I'm gonna go to a juice bar and get some delicious organic juice. You already know. I'm telling you, it's the best juice out there, man. Itchy throat. I'm gonna drink some right now. Did you shake it?
No.
You're supposed to shake it to get the pulp around.
Tastes good.
You have to shake the pulp around.
I just don't want this.
Okay, let's go. So it's definitely hour 1 right now, I think. We got like 3 more hours, but yeah. Grass and fields.
And trees.
And trees.
And trees.
That's it. So, yeah. Nothing interesting, man. Except for the same cars you've been following for like 30 minutes. Yeah, well, yeah, maybe. Oh,
Jesus.
Alright,
this
well,
song is
well, it's definitely speed limit. Where's the speed limit?
55.
55 right there. You were going. What are you going?
I'm doing 50.
You're going like 70 earlier, whatever.
I was doing 60.
Anyway, homeboy, right there.
Here he comes. He's coming up on the left.
I don't know if he's trying to pass or if he's gonna freaking try to. He might psych you out, but we're gonna see what happens. It's really scary, bro. Okay, never mind. You're good. He would have committed.
He definitely slowed down. I gotta tell you.
I want to turn that point to get him.
No, bro. You do. I'm gonna freaking pop your pop.
Dude, I feel like he knows I'm looking at him. But you have tinted windows too, so it's not like. Here, let me. Oh, what? What?
Turn.
Oh, woo! All right, cool. All right.
He's just trying to find a spot. That's what he's trying to.
Okay. Woo.
Get someone else.
It's crazy. We're halfway there. How do you feel?
Tired. Hungry.
Tired? Yeah, I'm hungry too. I did have a Hot Pocket for breakfast, and that was
I
it.
had nothing. I had this.
I have a nutritional shake if you want it. Yeah, it's juice, bro. I haven't even started drinking it, but I drank like a little bit, and I really gotta pee right now. But I'm really seeing how far I can go before, I gotta pee. So.
Well, we're definitely gonna do a lunch break.
I don't know. Look at all the shops out here. Where you wanna go?
I want to go to Hay City right there. I want to just mac on that hay.
Mackin.
Mackin on that hay.
Hello? Oh, I'm black. Or you're black.
I'm black.
Yeah, you're. You're. Oh, okay. Oh, it's just the quality is so booty. I don't have any light. It's crazy, bro. We're 2 hours in, bro. We got 2 more hours. We're crazy. Oh my god.
Actually, almost 3 hours.
How far are you?
I don't know. How far are we?
I don't freaking know.
Yeah, but I really gotta pee. Oh, dude. You know what? Hold on. Bro, itchy throat, my guy. Woo, way too long.
Itchy throat.
Dude, I've been craving that crap since last night. You know, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Oh, my GoPro just turned off. I think the battery just died. I gotta hang up because I have all this crap in my hands. I gotta change the battery off my GoPro.
Alright, yo.
Sorry, bro. Woo woo.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna head out.
What? Oh, hey! Oh, dude. She's, you know, look at that section there. It's pretty hot right there. Woo. So, we made our first stop. Taco Bell. I was gonna bring the camera in there, I did, and then some weird guy in the bathroom was like, whoa, no cap. So I didn't want to do anything, I felt uncomfortable. But I left the thing recording, so it's gonna have like at least 10 seconds just sitting here staring at Taco Bell. But whatever, excuse me. Yeah, now we're gonna continue our lonely Lulu.
This is where I am, where I am. Walk on with you.
Then we got our hillies right here, bro. It's crazy. We've been driving. What time is it? It's 1:25. It's probably fast. My ears are popping because the hills. Amazing. We're gonna get there in about 45 minutes. Woo, woo. It's crazy. I don't know. I thought it was an observatory, but I think it's its own building. Yo. So tired, bro. Woo woo. Alright, we just made it to the thingamajiggy. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty small, whatever, but I guess we're gonna try to find out some things to do. I don't think there's anything to do out here, so. But yeah, we made it to North Carolina. You already saw in the hotel room.
We're in a mall right now.
What mall is this?
I don't know, Haynes Mall.
Oh yes, it's Haynes Mall in Winston Salem. I'm just looking around. I don't plan on buying anything, but I'm probably gonna buy something. I just impulse bought a Refresh shoe cleaner, so I'm gonna go ahead and look it up to see if it actually has good reviews. I'm sure that my shoes are gonna be dirty as crap. So
How much is it on Amazon though?
$45.
So you actually got it a little cheaper.
Still skeptical about it. Alright, well, I mean, I thought I was gonna... We'll see, because my shoes are a little bit booty right now, but the dude cleaned them, like, really fast, so, you know, whatever. Yeah, well, $46. I'm gonna kill myself soon. Awesome. Hi. Hey!
How you doing?
Well, it's currently
7:18.
7:18. Waking up for this tournament.
So we're on our way home. I really recorded like 2 things of the bowling. So yeah, I got it. It's on. I'm on. Yay! Wreck. Holy crap.
Yeah, it's what happens when you go 100.
That's crazy, dude. Oh, is he motioning? Oh, he's motioning.
Wave.
Oh, yeah, of course I'm gonna wave. Why are you gonna wave? Is someone in there? That's scary. Whoa.